If you can write, you can draw.
Hello everyone. This is If You Can Write, You Can Draw. Today we are going to learn how to draw Gudetama, I think that's his name, just by using the letter U and O. And perhaps a shape like this. Can you do shapes like this? Perfect. Let's go. So, U, upside down. And then another U right here. And then guess what? This little shape, you do like whoop, whoop. And then another U right here. And then perhaps another U right there. That's a little wider U. But still U. A U. And then boop, boop. Another U. I made a mistake. It's okay, guys. Part of the process. So you do another U right there. Boop. Now what? You do another U right here. U. Oh, do you know how to draw the heart shape? Great, because we're gonna need it right here. Now the O. You do O. Color it in. Another O right there. And then another O right there. Now, this little shape, we're gonna put it all over him. And now, just to make it more professional, I'm gonna color this guy. Yeah, I think there's a tool where you do it whoop, like that, but I think you need to first kind of draw the outlines. If you hear background noise, that's my wife having a meeting with her teacher. Yes, my wife, she's a teacher, but also a student. I think that's the mindset we all should have. Wait, what happened? Wait. Woo. Bring this color. Oh, shakalaka. And then a little highlight. That didn't come out right. Let's try it. More like that. And then a little bit darker tone. Just to another highlight. And then maybe another one just here. Now, I know. I'm gonna show you where all these shapes were used to. So hang in there for me. A little pink. Woo! There we go. And you're able to draw all this just by using a little shape and the letter U and O only. Now, the fun part. The tracing part. Wait, did I create a new layer? Oh, right there. Oh. U. 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 This is kind of U, right? Big U. Bigger U. You can consider this a U too, but yeah, a little bit like that. And then clearing my throat of 콧물, if you know what that means in Korean, 콧물. Anyways, the O goes like O, O. And then little shapes which can equal to the yolk, white yolk, and of course another color. Let me go with this guy. Hearts. Because at the end of the day, it's all about love. You shall love God and your neighbor as yourself. Right? Did you just say God? Yes. God is good, everyone. Well, there you go. Boop. 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 All by using simple shapes. Boop, boop, boop. Oh, what? You wanna tell the kids something? What is it? Oh! Should I push? Wait, okay, there we go. I want to say something to you guys. What could it be? Perhaps if you can write, you can. What is it, guys? Draw. Thank you. And the secret code. In every moment, find your place. If you can write, you can draw your Say it loud.